So, hello girl,
Hi, sir.
how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And what about you, sir?
I'm perfectly fine. So, girl, very first, I would like to know your name.
Okay, sir. So my name is Risha Gangania.
Okay, Visakha Gangania,
Yes, sir.
how old are you?
I am 14 years old.
Okay, so, beta, what do you do?
I study.
Okay, and in which school do you study?
I study in Johor Public School.
And in which class are you?
I am in ninth class.
Okay, and what about your family background?
So about my family background, there are 10 members in my family.
That's nice. And what are your hobbies?
My hobby is to read books and to play badminton.
Okay, so you like to read books.
Yes, I like to read books.
And what kind of books do you like to read?
I like to read English books.
Okay, and what is your second hobby?
My second hobby is I like to play badminton.
Okay, you like to play badminton.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you usually play it or you play it only once in a week?
I play it once in a week.
Okay, and with whom do you play?
I play with my brother.
Okay, it means you have a brother.
Yes, sir. I have brother.
Would you like to tell about him?
Yes, I would like to tell about him. So my brother name is Pranav Gangania. He is from Badot. He has passed fifth, uh, and nowadays he has passed fourth. Sorry, sir. And nowadays he is doing fifth and learning spoken English
That's
and taking
nice.
tuition.
Good. So, does your brother study with you?
Yes, he studies with me.
Okay, he also studies in the same school.
Yes, he studies in that school.
Okay, that's nice. So, beta, what is your daily routine? At what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 4 o'clock.
Okay, and then what do you do?
I study.
Okay, mean that you wake up early in the morning first, then you pay full attention to your study.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and at what time do you finish your study at morning time?
I finish my study at 6 o'clock in morning time.
Okay, then you get ready for your school.
At 6 o'clock, I go for a walk.
Okay, that's nice. And what is your school timing? At what time do you reach your school?
I reach my school at 9 o'clock.
And how do you manage to go there?
Uh, I go there on foot. First, I come back from the work and then I get ready for my school.
That's nice. And how many hours do you study at your school?
Uh, I study 6 hours in my school.
At what time do you return from there?
I return at 2 o'clock or 1:30 from there.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, as you are a school student, what do you like to take for your breakfast?
I like to take bread and milk for my breakfast.
And who prepares your breakfast?
My mother prepares my breakfast.
And what does she like to prepare for your breakfast?
She likes to prepare bread and milk for my breakfast.
Okay, it means that you are fond of having bread with tea for your breakfast.
Yes, sir.
That's nice. And with whom do you like to take your breakfast?
I like to take my breakfast with my siblings.
At what time do you finish your breakfast?
I finish my breakfast at 8 o'clock.
That's nice. Okay, and what do you do after your school?
I go to the coaching after my school.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, as you mentioned that you are in ninth standard
Yes,
now,
sir.
do you have any plan what you'll do after your plus two?
No, sir. Nowadays, I don't have any plan.
Okay, you have not decided yet.
Yes, sir.
Mean that very first you just want to finish your plus two,
Yes,
then
sir.
you will think about all these things.
Yes, I will think after that.
Okay, that's really very nice. So, beta, I would like to one more thing about you. Do you have any idol?
Yes, I have one idol.
And who's that one?
My father is my idol.
That's really very nice. It seems that you are very connected to your father.
Yes, sir.
That's nice. So, uh, what kind of people do you like most?
I like intelligent people.
And how do you judge them intelligence?
About their study,
Okay. And one more thing I would like to know, beta, which language do you speak at your home?
I speak English and Hindi both at my home.
And which language do you usually speak outdoor?
I usually speak Hindi.
Okay. And what about your siblings? Do they also try to speak English with you?
Yes, they also try to speak English with me.
Okay, that's nice. So, can you speak English confidently?
Yes, I can speak confident. I can speak English confidently.
Good. And what's your New Year plan? Will you do anything special?
Uh, not. I have not decided yet. I will decide after.
Okay, after some time you will
Yeah.
decide all this. Good. So, what is the secret of your communication skills? As you have a background where the people speak Hindi, but you are the first one in your whole family who's trying to learn this. How did you manage this? How could you become able to speak it?
Uh, my teachers help me to speak me English.
Okay, it means you practice it on daily basis.
Yes, sir. I practice it on daily basis.
That's good. Do you have any difficulty to express your thoughts or views?
No, sir.
Okay, are you okay there?
Yes, I'm okay here.
Are you feeling nervous?
No, I'm not feeling nervous.
Okay, but did you used to feel nervous
Yes.
sometimes ago?
Yes, I used to feel nervous some time ago.
But now you are completely comfortable.
Yes, I'm completely comfortable now.
That's great. So it was a nice talk. We'll continue it next time. Thank you
Thank you,
very
sir.
much.